Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an influencer marketing strategy with AspireIQ, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your brand's goals for the influencer marketing strategy. Identify your target audience to tailor your messages effectively. Research potential influencers who align with your brand values and audience. Utilize AspireIQ's platform to streamline the influencer discovery process. Filter influencers by demographics, engagement rates, and niche relevance. Evaluate influencer content to ensure it resonates with your brand's image. Create a detailed influencer brief that outlines your campaign goals and expectations. Reach out to selected influencers through AspireIQ's communication tools. Negotiate terms of collaboration, including deliverables and compensation. Establish a timeline for the campaign that allows for ample preparation. Prepare creative assets that influencers can use to promote your brand. Launch the campaign while monitoring influencer content for alignment. Engage with the audience through comments to boost interaction and visibility. Track performance metrics using AspireIQ's analytics tools. Evaluate campaign effectiveness by analyzing engagement, reach, and conversions. Gather insights to refine future influencer marketing strategies based on your results. Document lessons learned for ongoing improvement in your approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.